Hi everybody, Rachel from Teen Services here, and I am here to show you how to set up a profile on our new online summer reading tracker. So if you want to start, you go to myfcpl.org, and this is what our website looks like. Scroll down to where it says click here to access the summer reading tracker. So go ahead and click it, and it brings you to our new summer reading tracker page. Hit create new user. Okay. And so I'm going to create my own user here. Rachel Book Girl is a name I like to use. I have picked a password that is hopefully not easy to figure out. My first name, my last name. You can add a phone number, which which would be very handy to do, to add your cell phone number, which I'm not going to do right now. But if you add your cell phone number, you can put your cell phone carrier there and receive text messages. You can also add your email address. We need at least one or the other, because if you win a prize, we need to be able to contact you and let you know that you won a prize, because this summer reading tracker is going to help us on choosing winners for our summer reading prize drawings. So you have to include your age, but I'm not sharing that with the public, so I'm just going to put this 00. You need to include your library branch. If you're at one of the branches in Michigan Road, Mulberry, or Rossville, this will help us make sure that you are included in the prizes that are specifically for your branch, as well as you will also be eligible for prizes at the main branch too. So put your branch, you can add your library barcode in, which is a good idea to do, and then you can choose your summer reading goal. And I really love to read, so my summer reading goal is going to be 30. And then you can tell us a little bit about yourself. You can choose a picture to be your avatar, which I'm not going to do right now, but you could do later. You can put that you would like to share lists with other people. And if you are a mom or a caregiver, you want to put on here, allow me to create and manage multiple reading profiles. And then you hit create new profile. So this gives you lots of things you can do. You can start by creating your reading list. Tell us the books that you are reading this summer, and each time you read a book and review it here for us, this is an opportunity for you to win a prize. The next thing that we'll do is go to view my profile, and I want to show you the activities you can do. So there's so many activities you can do. Last night I read to my dog Daisy, so that's one thing. If they're blue like this, this means that you can click on it and it will bring you to a special page or a special website and provide you with something to do. This is a really fun treasure hunt of our website. So you just get on our website and follow this and find these pieces of information. And once you've done that, you can click completed the MySCPL online treasure hunt. Lots of things to do. Once you've added all the things you've done for that time, hit submit, and it's going to count it up. So see, if I read to Daisy again, I'm going to put it on there. It's going to go on there twice. It's pretty cool. Now, you can find lists that you might like to follow, and it shows you lots of places to find books. These are all online books that you can get a hold of too. So that is how you set up your summer reading profiles. Now, if I were to set up a profile for my child, I would just go here and do all the same things again and make one for my child. So I hope everyone gets online at myfcpl.org and sets up your summer reading profile and enjoys our summer reading tracker this year.